Hey there, boys and girls. How are you today? So, you don't know this, or maybe I did tell you, or I will tell you, but this is actually my second time doing this same video. For some reason, 5 videos that I did, no sound. So, I am doing our partial products, double digit multiplication again, and I just wanted you to feel sorry for me, so that's why I thought I would tell you. So, let's label our math journal double digit partial products. Okay, and I'm hoping you're going to see the pattern of doing single digit multiplication and double digit multiplication. So if you choose to do triple digit multiplication, that is up to you. And when I say single digit, double digit, triple digit, what I'm meaning is that one of the number that you're multiplying by is 2 digits. So for example, like if I took 86 times 5, I'm multiplying it by 1 digit. So this is a 1 digit multiplication problem. When I'm saying double digit multiplication, it doesn't matter how big the number on top is. If I'm multiplying it by 2 digits, that is a 2-digit multiplication. So what that means is if I was multiplying something by 3 digits, no matter what the number is on top, but I was multiplying it by 257, that is a 3-digit multiplication. Okay, so now that we have that taken care of, we're going to be doing partial products. And with our partial products, I'm going to be demonstrating a 2-digit by 2-digit. And then I'll demonstrate, actually I'm not going to demonstrate a 3-digit by 2-digit. After we do our partial products, our area model, and our algorithm, I will do one final video that will take all 3 of those concepts, and we'll do it by maybe 4 and 5 digits times 2 digits, just so you can get an idea of what it is. But it's not something you really need to know this year, but it's good to know the patterns so when you get to 5th grade, it's not unfamiliar. So we'll just do a quick video on that. Okay, so let's do partial products. So the first problem that we're going to do is 16 times 28. So the strategy is the same as if I was doing a 1-digit number, but because I have 2 digits now, after I do the first digit in the ones place, I'm going to have to go over and do the digit in the tens place. So I'm actually going to change this 2 to a different color so that you can see the difference. Let's go back to our purple. So just like with multiplying by a ones digit, I'm going to start with my ones place. I'm going to pretend like that 2 is not even there. I'm trying to cover it with my hand, not that you can see that. I'm going to pretend like that 2 is not even there. So I'm going to multiply my ones place times my ones place. Ones times ones, which you can see is 8 times 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. So I'm going to put a 48 there. It's very different than the algorithm. We are not going to carry any numbers. We're just writing the answer straight underneath the problem. So then my next, I'm going to take that ones again, but this time I'm going to multiply it by the tens place. So that now becomes 8 times, what is that 1 worth? A 10. So it's 8 times 10, which is 80. Okay, now we're going to move to our tens place, and this is where I'm going to change my color. Oops. So my tens place, that 2, so I'm going to multiply my tens place, because that's my 2, but it's not a 2, it is a 20. But I'm going to multiply it by my ones place now, so that's my next step. So I'm going to do the tens place by the ones place. I don't know why that just came up like that. Times the ones place. So that 2 is worth a 20 times my 6. It's in the ones place, so it's just worth a 6. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus my 0. I get 120. Then my next is the tens place times, right above it, the tens place. So now that 2 is worth 20, but that 1 is worth 10. So now I have 20 times 10. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then I have to add 2 zeros. And then I am going to add them just like I did. So then I have 8, 14, and 4. So my answer is 448. Okay, so you could probably figure out is if this 16 was a 3-digit number, I would just keep going and multiplying it out to the hundreds place. But like I said, we'll do that on next week. So let's do another practice for you. And let's make it 27 times 68. 6, but I'm going to change my 6 to a green. So I know I have to switch that. Okay. So following my model over here, I want you to go ahead and work that out and then unpause the video and we'll do it together. Okay, so I know the first thing I'm going to do is my 1s times my 1s, which means I'm going to multiply 7 times 8, and that is 56. Next, I'm doing the wrong color. Okay. I forgot to change back my colors. So next I'm going to do the 1s, which matches my 8, times the 10s, which is going to be the 8, not times 2, but times 20. So I know 8 times 2 is 16 and add my 0. And now I got to change my pen back. So in this, I'm multiplying my 10s times the 1s. Okay, so my 10s is 6. Oops, I mean 60 times my 1, which is 7. So I know 6 times 7 is 42, and then add my 0. My last step is my 10s times 10s. So in this, I have my 60 times my 20. So 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 zeros. So now I know I need 4. I'm going to put my 2 zeros first. It'll help so I know I can line up better. 12. So that's 6, it's 11, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1. So my answer is 1,836. Okay, so on your form, I'm going to give you a choice. There's going to be some problems, and I think I did this with the area model too on the original video, is that there's going to be some 2 digits, but if you want to give yourself a challenge and you think you can figure out the 3-digit, so let's say, for example, on your form, it may be to multiply 27 times 56 or 327 times 18. You just pick one of those problems if you want to give yourself a challenge and do the 3-digit times 2-digit, or if you just want to practice doing the 2-digit by 2-digit till you get more comfortable, you can choose either one of those. But like I said, later on, we'll do more practicing with those with all 3 strategies. Okay? So today's keyword is going to be repeat, since I just repeated this lesson. Okay? Go ahead and have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.